Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're checking out 20 amazing tools that make work smarter and easier. Stick around. You might just find your next favorite gadget. Pocket Hole Jig Kit. The Pocket Hole Jig Kit is a $15 woodworking tool designed for durability, precision, and ease of use. Made from high-quality metal, it resists rust and cracks, making it suitable for both professional craftsmen and DIY enthusiasts. The jig allows for quick drilling of 15-degree angled holes, creating clean, hidden screw joints that improve the look and strength of furniture and woodworking projects. Heavy Ranger MUTT. The Heavy Ranger MUTT, priced at $185, is a portable trailer light tester designed for reliability and convenience. It supports 7-way round pin connections and features built-in short-circuit protection for safe operation. It comes equipped with a trickle charger to maintain its internal battery, and its water-resistant design with a sealed battery compartment makes it durable for use in various conditions. Monster Pry Bar. The Monster Pry Bar, priced at $125, is built from all-steel construction for long-lasting durability. Its 56-inch length and integrated fulcrum provide maximum leverage, making it effective for tackling the toughest jobs. Designed for prying forms and other embedded objects, it features a powder-coated finish for added protection and durability. 5-in-1 Multifunction Tool. The 5-in-1 Pneumatic Multifunction Tool, priced at $209, is a powerful and versatile solution for gardeners, construction workers, landscapers, and remodelers. Delivering 2,100 beats per minute, it provides the strength needed for digging, chiseling, and demolition tasks. This tool quickly removes tile, plaster, adhesive, linoleum, grout, brick, old carpet, and more, while also making it easy to dig holes and extract rocks or roots for landscaping applications. Hydraulic Hole Punch Driver Kit. The Hydraulic Hole Punch Driver Kit, priced at $115, delivers powerful performance with a standard output of 6.6 tons and a peak capacity of 8 tons, making it ideal for a wide range of punching tasks. Built to handle steel, stainless steel, brass, copper, aluminum, fiberglass, and plastic, this kit offers exceptional versatility across materials. 276-piece toolset kit. The 276-piece toolset kit, priced at $99, is a versatile and practical solution for home and DIY projects. It comes in an upgraded toolbox with a storage compartment and sliding drawer that provide greater capacity and organized storage for quick tool access. The set includes a wide variety of essential tools such as screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, hammers, a saw, and more, making it suitable for repairs and installations and everyday maintenance tasks. Laminate Floor Cutter. The Laminate Floor Cutter, priced at $100, offers a wide range of cutting applications, handling materials up to 13 inches in width and 5/8 inch in thickness. It can cut engineered wood, multi-layer flooring, vinyl planks, rubber flooring, carpet tiles, siding, and more, making it highly versatile for flooring and panel projects. With the ability to cut at multiple angles including 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degrees. Self-leveling level. The self-leveling laser level kit, priced at $169, includes a 3x360-degree cross-line laser level and a 47-inch compact adjustable tripod. Designed for full room coverage, it projects 1 horizontal and 2 vertical 360-degree planes, allowing precise alignment on floors, walls, and ceilings. The included tripod offers adjustable height from 0.47 meters to 1.2 meters, a 10-kilogram load capacity, full 360-degree rotation, and smooth vertical tilt control, ensuring stable and versatile positioning for a wide range of applications. Safety Harness. The Safety Harness, priced at $103, is a durable full-body fall arrest harness designed for high performance and reliable protection. It features 2 hip D-rings, 1 dorsal D-ring, cushioned shoulder pads, pass-through buckles, and tongue buckles to ensure a secure and comfortable fit. Suitable for users weighing 130 to 310 pounds and ranging from 4 feet 10 inches to 6 feet 6 inch in height. WORKPRO Miter Saw Stand. The WORKPRO Miter Saw Stand, priced at $158, is a sturdy and versatile workbench with folding and telescoping legs for adjustable height and easy transport. Its steel frame supports up to 330 pounds, while the reversible panel offers both an anti-skid surface and a measuring scale with protractor. Keter Folding Portable Table. The Keter Folding Portable Table, priced at $205, includes 2 folding workbenches ideal for DIY projects, home improvement, or job site use. Built from weather-resistant polypropylene with heavy-duty resin and aluminum legs, each table supports up to 1,000 pounds without rusting, peeling, or denting. Its lightweight design with a sturdy handle makes transport easy, while the quick open and fold system allows convenient storage. Dust Separator. The Milwaukee Dust Separator is a $99 wet-dry vacuum accessory that captures up to 99% of job site dust and debris before it reaches the vacuum, helping to prevent filter clogs and maintain consistent suction. It holds up to 2.5 gallons, works with all common hose sizes, and features a compact pack-out compatible design with onboard storage. Ultimate Glue. The Ultimate Glue is a $7, highly durable wood glue designed for both indoor and outdoor projects. Its 100% waterproof formula provides exceptional strength while still allowing for easy cleanup with water. Ideal for conditions involving moisture, sunlight, or extreme temperatures. It offers up to 15 minutes of working time and requires just 20 to 30 minutes of clamp time before setting, with full cure in 24 hours. Fein MultiMaster. The Fein MultiMaster, priced at $232, is a high-performance oscillating multi-tool designed for demanding interior and renovation work. Its 450-watt motor delivers powerful cutting speeds, while the built-in anti-vibration system ensures quiet, comfortable operation during long sessions. Featuring the Starlock Max mounting system, it supports a wide range of accessories, and the quick-in rapid clamping system allows tool-free changes in under 3 seconds for maximum efficiency. Angle Depth Gauge. The Angle Depth Gauge, priced at $49.99, is a modern update of a classic century-old machinist's tool designed for today's woodworkers. Featuring graduations in 30 seconds on one side and millimeters on the other, it offers precision for measuring depths of grooves and holes, laying out angles, parallel scribing, and use as a compact T-square. A machined notch allows for accurate scribing, while the milled groove in the head ensures the rule returns perfectly square. Telescopic Wheel Wrench. The Telescopic Wheel Wrench, priced at $20, is a compact and versatile tool designed for easy lug removal. Its extendable body and robust grip provide strong leverage to loosen even the tightest wheel lugs with minimal effort. Aero Disposable Pipe Freeze Kit. The Aero Disposable Pipe Freeze Kit, priced at $51, provides a fast and safe way to repair or extend pipework without draining the system. Ideal for DIY or domestic plumbing tasks, it is especially useful for central heating repairs and installations, such as stopcocks, service valves, washing machines, dishwashers, taps, and cisterns. The non-flammable spray rapidly freezes pipes to -50 degrees Celsius, making small repairs quick, effective, and convenient. Hexus X. The Hexus X, priced at $27, is a compact and durable multi-tool designed for cyclists. Made from chrome vanadium steel, it offers strength and reliability while weighing just 6 ounces with a pocket-friendly size of 3.5 by 1.6 by 1.1 inch. It includes a chain pin breaker, self-tightening tool, and secondary chain link storage, providing comprehensive repair capabilities on the go. 4-in-1 Deluxe Ratchet Pruner. The 4-in-1 Deluxe Ratchet Pruner, priced at $14, is a versatile tool designed for pruning thick stems and branches with minimal effort. Made from durable carbon steel with a non-stick coating, Its blades deliver sharp, rust-resistant performance. The ergonomic D-handle, lightweight body, and soft grip reduce strain during extended use, while the lubricated sliding mechanism ensures smooth cutting. Screwdriver set. The screwdriver set, priced at $199, delivers high-speed performance with 300 RPM, making screwdriving up to 4 times faster. It features a 70-minute quick charge, forward and reverse push buttons, and a quick change locking collet for efficiency. Built with IP54 dust and water protection, it is durable for tough work environments. That's it for our list of 20 amazing tools. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Chop Busters. More exciting finds are coming your way soon.